Back, Jira bro, with the another video. I'm gonna be showing you the brand new feature which is creating the landing pages for your help center. This was a long awaited feature. It's actually for the premium users, so bear that in mind. So everyone from premium then above will actually have the access to this feature. Maybe even if you're actually on the premium, you're not seeing this feature yet because this is basically the feature that is in the beta phase as well. So we are actually in our help center right here, and within the help center you're going to have this option that says landing pages. When we click on the landing pages, we have this option where it says create and manage landing pages in your help center, customize pages to curate help content for target audiences, or organize them by topics. So when we actually open this in a new tab, this is what what it was given. Basically, like this was released 9 days ago, and basically this is the ability to create, manage landing pages within the help centers. They help you create visually appealing and carefully curated landing pages to tailor help to better meet the unique needs for different audiences. Now, what you can actually do, of course, you can add some of these interesting stuff. But when I click on create pages, I'm going to name this landing page. I can give it a description in here. This is my landing page. I'm going to click on create, and we have our page created. Now when we go for the actions, we're going to click on create page, edit page layout. All right, so this is where the fun actually begins. As you can see, these are some of the sections that you can basically edit. So I have this section right here. I can move it, and I can basically say that instead of having this navigation right here that it was below this, now it can be above this image right here. Now what I can actually do is when I click on here, it says page banner. To do this, we have this removed. And now when we actually add this, we can add color or the image. We can add the color. We can change the banner color if we actually want. So basically it can be like this. And in here, so yeah, these are called the breadcrumbs. And for the section layout, this section indeed right here can actually be and having a different color, which is actually here. And as you can see, it has much more life added to it because you can now customize this page right here, which is your editor. And I can say, welcome to the IT help center, and I can say something like get the best help you can find, for example. Now we have these options right here, which is this picture that we can actually add a caption to it. We can change the text, and we have more. So we have these shortcuts and we have everything. If we actually delete this, of course it's going to be deleted. But the thing is, what I can actually do is I can, within this editor, I can add more stuff in here. So if I want to add an image, I can actually simply do this, and without any problems, I can add the image as you can see, I added the image of a cat. I can delete it, I can resize it, and basically it's gonna be here. All right, so from here, I can also add some of the elements in here. So some of the elements that you can add, basically you cannot add a lot of elements in here. So this is almost, this is a rip off from the Confluence part when you have this editor side. Now this is like embedded part, and this is the part of your help center. So you also have like option, let's say divider. And from here, when I select the divider, I can add it. Now the another thing that I can actually do is you can add some of the sections. And when you actually click to adding some of the sections, it's saying add the rich content in here. So now what I can actually do when I add the rich content, one of the questions, one of the questions maybe is to actually add buttons in here and to actually create the link between the buttons. Actually, this is not yet available. I really hope that this feature is going to be available for the help centers, because I believe that it would solve a lot of problems for the ones who are actually creating the help centers, and so the users can actually click on it and it can lead them to another thing. So what I can actually do here, I can say heading, and I can say welcome, welcome. All right, and now, so I have this content right here. I have this as well, so I can add rich content in here. I can add again rich content. So basically that is it. You can add rich contents, and this is the banner right here. All right, this actually looks pretty cool. And now if I actually publish this, so now it says your page is now alive on the Help Center. You can use rich content editor and so on and so forth. So this is how is it looking like at the landing page, and you can actually create more landing pages. It doesn't have to be only one landing page. It could actually be more than one. So if we go like with the Help Center, well, and now landing pages, when I actually click on it, it will actually lead me right here, which is going to be the page itself. All right, so this is the description. This is actually how it looks. What you can do is you can duplicate this if you want, so you don't have to create everything from scratch. So if I duplicate this, it's gonna say, yeah, this is indeed the copy, and when I review with this, definitely is going to be the copy of it. So it's going in the right direction. This is going to give users more options for the customizations, definitely. This is not yet giving this option to actually to customize your portal, rather the help center themselves. But yeah, this is about this new feature. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video.